Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel School Studies. School Studies is pleased to announce the launch of our educational website Patel Section. After years of hard work and dedication, we are delighted to officially announce the launch. Our goal with this website is to provide our students with an easier way to learn their lesson and prepare for exams. The new website is interactive and gives better access to NCERT solution, GSEB solution, Kids Zone, and general knowledge courses and quiz. We will be constantly updating our content with helpful information, articles, blogs, newsletter, new course announcements. We hope you find the new website with a fresh look, easy to access information. For any questions, suggestion, feedback or comments, please contact us today. Today we will see a video related to NCERT solution for class 7 Civics, chapter 6 Understanding Media. So let's solve textbook exercise. In what ways does the media play an important role in a democracy? Media plays an important role in democracy as it provides news and discusses events taking place around the country and all over the world. It also acts as a watchdog to the conduct of the government by criticizing the unpopular policies and programs that government undertakes, highlighting and even to a certain extent influencing public opinions, acknowledging several certain current issues, spreading awareness among general masses. Second, can you give this diagram a title? What do you understand about the link between media and big business from this diagram? Title can be given as Influence of Big Business Houses on Media. Big businesses and corporations approach the media to advertise their products through them. This is the most effective and cheapest way to reach the masses and ultimately influence their decisions regarding the purchase of these products. Third, you read about the ways in which the media sets the agenda. What kind of effects does this have in a democracy? Provide 2 examples to support your point of view. Media creates and influences public opinions in a democracy. It can influence public opinion for or against any issue. However, the scenario seems to have changed as it forms public opinions in favor of highest bidder or those in power. The neutrality it is supposed to be showcased has completely disappeared in its quest to bring in more viewers and profit. One example of this can be of your own school event having its annual day celebrations, but there is no coverage by the media as there is no famous personality attending the event. Thus, it highlights the selective attitude of the media. A positive aspect of this can be recent example of media finding out about alarming levels of pesticides present in Coca-Cola drinks. This published reports that indicate a high level of pesticides and made the public aware of the importance of monitoring the quality of these cola drinks in accordance with international quality and safest standards. This can done despite the government unabashedly declaring the cola drink safe to drink. Public outcry over this made the government reacted its statement and ordered an inquiry about the quality standards of the drink. So this was chapter 6 of NCERT solution for class 7 Civics. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any. Or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram or connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.